How to share any app on Play Store to Facebook Messenger, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any app you want on Play Store to Facebook Messenger. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. Now this is the home page. Go and choose the app that you want to share. I'm going to choose this one, for example. Click on it. And now go to the top corner, click on those three dots right here. Click on them like this and click share. Now it will take you to this page. Scroll, swipe right until you find the messenger icon, as you can see right here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.